Watch the complete video. Do not skip the video. Do not forward any section. It will give you the information on the payment link, and it will give you the information of what should be there in your device and all those things. So please don't skip any part of the video. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. There's the most excited news today. There is an the announcement of a workshop. Yes, Kannada Workshop Level 1 is launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. This time is quite different because most of the from last 2 to 3 years I used to handle workshops in online, face-to-face interaction used to happen, but this time it's a recorded versions. Don't feel bad just because a recorded version. It is not going to be a very bad, and it is not going to be. You should not feel that it should. It won't be like the normal live interaction with the teacher. Nothing like that. So this interaction is also, this recorded version is also made so lively and so interactive, so that the students will feel that interaction with me. So it has been designed and crafted with very carefully. I have designed this one. It will be really fun to use this workshop, to learn from this workshop for all the students. Why did I do this workshop? It's because you all know that I mostly handle the workshops only in a summer vacation, and also there will be a restriction on the number of students also. So I won't take more number of students, not more than 8 or 9 like that. So because of this reason, most of the students, they couldn't enroll to the workshop. They are not able to enroll into the workshop. Even the parents are struggling. I do get a call. I feel really bad that most of the students are not able to take the knowledge from me. So because of this reason, I worked on the workshop, the pre-recorded pre-recorded lessons for all the children. Wherever you are, you can watch, you can learn at any time whenever you are free. Not only in a summer vacation, not only in the date that I give, not only in the time that I announce. You can watch now at any time, on any day, n number of times actually. The most important thing here is, parents, you will be really happy because you will be learning here, then you can teach the children. Because most of the times the Kannada will be taught in Kannada. You all know that I will never teach Kannada in Kannada. I'll start with the English. So in this workshop completely have taught in English. Parents, this will be really useful for you. Even you can learn for yourself, and you can learn and you can teach your children if they have any doubt also. So in this case, children will get double benefited. They can get help from the parents, or they can even teach their parents also. Even the parents get benefited. They can learn the script of Kannada. So what and all is there in this workshop? There is one more video after this one, introduction. So please watch the video, the sample video. It will tell you what and all will be covered in this workshop, what kind of lessons is being done. Even the sample copy is mentioned for you, sample video is mentioned to you. So please do watch all those things. Then you can make a decision whether you want to buy or not to buy. How to buy this? There is a payment link, always just like an ebook. However you purchase the ebook, in the same way, there is a payment link is given. It is given in the description box. Go, please check out, click on that payment link. It will lead you to the another tab, Razor Pay. Pay the amount, wait, do not close the tab, wait. Then you will get a link, or it will go to your drive. So make sure that before making the payment, make sure that you have a drive, Google Drive installed in your mobile or laptop. Okay, so this will lead, after payment, it will lead to your Google Drive. So all the videos will be there in your drive. You can download it or you can watch it. So however it is comfortable. Watch it on the big screen in the TV, you can screen it, or in the laptop also, but try to avoid in the mobile. Okay, so this is how you can purchase the workshop. Please do share this information with your friends, and make sure that you cannot upload this video anywhere. You cannot share this video directly with your friends because it is copyright reserved for these videos. So that's it from my end. I hope you will enjoy this new way of learning from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Have fun, and also there are many activities is given, and the dictation also is there. Many things is being covered in this level 1. And the main thing is, after 10 days, 10 to 15 days, I'll be launching the second level workshop. Why I'm not doing right now is because I want the students to take time, at least 10 days of time to cover this level 1 workshop. Only once you have covered this, come to the level 2 workshop. How much time you need? Give 20 minutes of your day, in a day, give a 20 minutes for one lesson, learn one lesson, practice that for another 30 minutes, hardly 1 hour in a day. You can't give 1 hour in a day. It's very easy, right? Just give a 1 hour in a day and you will be really, I'll tell you, in a 10 days you will learn very quickly. After that, you can go to the level 2 workshop. So having said all these things, I hope you got all the information. What is the workshop? Workshop is for level 1. Anyone who doesn't know, who are beginner to the Kannada, you can attend this one. Sample video is given after this video. How to purchase? Use the link in the description. Wait before paying, before doing the payment. Install the Google Drive in your devices, either laptop or mobile, whatever it is. Google Drive should be there. And even the parents can sit with the children because it is in English. That's it. So I hope I have covered all the information that has been required to you. Please watch the next video. Look at what and all is covered in the workshop. Meet you all in the second workshop. Until then, happy learning. All the best for your new learning. And most importantly, please give me your feedback. It can be for improvisation or it can be a thank you also. I'll be really happy to receive a feedback from you all for this new thing that has been started from the Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. So thank you so much, Ellarigu. Dhanyavada. Hello, hi. Welcome to the Level 1 Kannada Workshop from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. So what are we going to learn in this workshop? So in this workshop, the main focus is on the basics. The basic is alphabets, letters. So here I am going to focus mainly on the letters. We'll learn the letters slowly. Then we'll go to the half letters. Then we'll learn the basic grammar, what the letters are called, what the vowels are called, how is the pronunciation of those things. We'll learn about the letters, pronunciation and all. Then we'll learn the different kind of symbols that is used in Kannada words. For example, Arkavali and words. Those things we'll learn. How to read the words. Basically with Arkavali and words will be taught here. And also at the end, you will be given the dictation. Many words are there, many activities are there at the end of the workshop and also in between the workshop. So please be very attentive and be very focused when you listen to the entire workshop. Sorry for the background noise, there are some dogs barking, I'm really sorry for that. So before starting with the workshop, I request you all to sit in a quiet place, wear earphones, take a book, pencil, eraser, sit with your parents. If you are sitting with the parents, then you can remove the earphones. If you are sitting alone, then wear earphones. Okay, so let's begin with the first lesson. I hope you are all ready with the requirements. Pencil, book, eraser, earphones must. And watch it in big screen. If you have a laptop, please play it in a laptop. Do not watch it in a mobile. So that's it. Having said all these things, we'll start with our first lesson for the Level 1 workshop from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Fine? Yes. So before learning the letters, very important thing is to learn the pronunciation of the letters. So first we'll start with the pronunciation of the letters. First I'll say the letter, then you have to repeat after me. I'll give a pause, so you repeat after me. Fine? We'll start with the pronunciation of the letters of Kannada. Yes, let's start with learning the letters, how to write the letters. We'll start with the first letter. Which is the first letter? The first letter is A. Yes, we'll write the letter A first. I hope you can see. So we'll start from the beginning. So draw the small circle, come down, up, then down. This is letter A, America, Amma, Appa, Anna, Akka, any of the words. Arun, Aditi, A. Okay. Next we'll go for the next letter. Next letter is A. Very good. Start with the same type with a small circle. Come down, down, down. Stop here. Stop here. Go inside. Yes. Small circle. Come inside. Yes. This is your A. Ane. Ane is elephant. Okay. Arya. Arya is the name. Okay. Akasha. Akasha is the sky. So we learned the two letters. A. The third letter. Please remember when you're writing, write within the two lines. Okay. It's very important. So the next letter is E. So how to write E? Remember letter 3. What if the letter 3 is slipping upside down like this? Yes. Come down completely till the line. Now put a small knot. This is letter E. Ili. Ili is a rat. Illi. Illi is a here. Okay. Italy. Next. E. Draw a circle. Draw the circle. And above the circle, we draw the symbol. This is called as a tale. Head. This I call in Kannada as tale. Head. Remember this? We use this often after this. Okay. Tale. Head. Put tale. Then in between one line. Then draw this. This is E. Very good. Ishwara. Isha. E. The next is U. So remember the waves when you write like this. Yes? So U is just like the wave. So with a small circle, we'll start from the top, come down, go up, down and up. This is your letter U. Uguru. Uguru is a nail. Okay? Very good. Next. Next letter is U. So write same as it is U. Then come down again. Come down and draw a 0 here. Uta, meal. Uti. Okay. Remember, you should never put a 0 here. That is wrong. So don't put 0 there. So here it's a plain line. But here, remember, you should not leave like this. You should put 0 compulsory. That is O. I hope you have learned the Arkavali, words and all the letters. Now we are in the major section, the major lesson. That is Ottakshara. Yes. What are we learning? We are learning Ottakshara, or it is also called Samyuktakshara. Samyuktakshara. In English, if you want to say it, you can say that as a double consonant. You can say as double consonants. So why do we need this double consonant? What is the use of this? Where do we use this? So that's all those things we'll learn in this class, and also the Ottakshara in a very easier way and the simple way. Fine. Let's start. Now, there are few words where you have like this. Yes. Then you have then you also have Papa, Mama. So if you observe, there are two letters that comes two letters. Why do we use two letters? What if in case of apple you have only one P? It is pronounced as apple. That you won't call as an apple. Apple. The same way,